How much time per day do you spend copywriting?
So let's say if you want to be a good swimmer, what do you need to do? You need to swim. If you want to be a good golfer, you need to golf. If you want to become a good copywriter, you need to write. So in the beginning of my career, in my early 20s, I was writing every day. Anywhere from 2, 3, 4 hours, sometimes 5, 6 hours, I was just writing. And I'm not talking about typing, I'm talking about a pen, like a notepad, a stack of paper, and I was just writing every day because I was so hungry, I wanted to be good. It's the only way that you'll get good. So if you are just starting out, I don't care how much you write, I much more care about you develop the habit of writing every single day. I would rather you write something every single day, 20 minutes a day, 30 minutes a day. At the very minimum, I would say 30 minutes a day because it takes you at least a few minutes to get into it. Then just you spend 3 hours one day writing and then you don't write anything for a week because you want to condition your mind, right? You want to keep honing that skill. So if you're serious, a serious copywriter, a minimum kind of 30-minute copywriting workout, think of it like that way. You're going to the gym and you're writing every single day. Consistency, no matter what. And ideally, you do it at the same time. Now, you might do it in the morning, you might do it in the evening because you may be more creative in the evening. But that habit of writing every single day, minimum 30 minutes a day. If you want to improve faster, then I would say 60 minutes to even 90 minutes a day. That's what would be my recommendation. And that's what I teach all my students as well in my high income copywriting program. By the way, if you want to check out the free masterclass, make sure you click a link below. Or if you're not so sure what exactly is copywriting and how do people actually make a living doing it, you can also check out that masterclass by clicking a link below as well. Until next time, I'll see you in my Bentley.